In our last week's episode, we did the slime time, super cool fun. But this time, we're also gonna do the slime time. So hope you're gonna enjoy the video. We're learning colors with slime. Now I'm going to pick up Bella on my tractor and we're gonna come to learn. Yay! I love slime time, super cool fun. I can't wait. Now Bella, because you are my special guest today, you can choose any color of the slime. Let me see the options. You have green, blue, orange, and pink. Should we start with green? I like green color. Okay, Bella, it's a great choice. Let's open the green color slime. Wow, so gooey. Nice. It's really sticky. But Bella, you can also choose the glittery sparkles that we can put inside. Let me see the options. You have white, red, yellow, blue, pink, green. Oh, what's this? It's little flowers. Can I take that one? I like little flowers. Let me take it. Okay, we can leave the white one and try the flowers. Let me see. Okay. So nice. It's really shiny. Can I mix it up? Really cool. Oh, I have a great idea. Can I try to run it over with my tractor? Of course, JJ. Go ahead. Sounds like so much fun, JJ. Let's go. Wow, this was so fun. Let's learn the next color. Oh, don't forget we need to put this one away. Let's just put it here in the box and put the lid. Oh no. Like this. Our next color is color blue. Okay. It's such a nice color. I can't open it, you. Nice. Whoa. Can we try to make these two sparkles over here? Red and green. Great idea, Bella. Let's try that. First, I'm gonna open this sparkly red color and then pour it all over our slime, and then the green one. Nice. Should we mix it up a little bit? We are losing some of our glittery sparkles. Nice. It's so shiny. Oh, Bella, I have this really cool monster car if you would like to run over it. Oh yeah, it sounds like fun. Oh no, our slime got stuck to our wheel. How are we gonna fix it? Let's try to take it out like this. Oh no. It's really hard to get it off. Oh, nice. Now we can put this slime back and learn the next two colors. We only have orange and pink left. Orange. Here you go, JJ. You can have an orange one, and you, Bella, because it's the same color as your glasses. Which one would you like to open first? Should we open this one? I like color orange. Okay, and after orange, we're gonna open this really nice pink color. Okay, opening the orange color. Opa, nice. And what are we gonna mix in the orange color? Can we mix this snow? It looks like snow. It's so cool. Okay, it's really nice. Wow. Would you like to put one more? Oh yeah, I know. Pink is so cool. Pink and orange. Wow, nice, nice, nice. Sparkly, snowy. Let me mix it up. Nice. Wow, nice. Really nice. Can I try to run it over with the monster truck now? Okay, JJ. I have a really cool monster truck for you. What do you think? Oh wow, I really love it. Well, let's go. Let's Try again. One more to the back. Really nice, JJ. Hope you had fun. Let's put the orange color back in the container. Now we can work with pink color. I'm opening the pink one. It's really hard to open this lid. Wow, nice. And I also have these two sparkles left. First the blue one. Enough. And now yellow. Nice. Now all we need to do is mix it all up. Nice. And here comes one more track. Would you like to run over it, Bella? Woohoo! I can't wait. Whoa, here I come. Good job, Bella. This was really fun. Let's put our slime back. I have a really cool idea now. Let's play with glitter glue. I'll be right back. What do you have here, Bella? Let's take a look. We have glitter glue. Nice, we have so many colors. Red, green, blue, gray, golden, and pink. Let's try to use it on a piece of paper. I have a white piece of paper over here. First, I'm gonna use the pink color. Let's open it up and see what it's gonna look like on white piece of paper. Ooh, wow! This is pink color. The next color is blue color. Let's check it out. Ooh, really? And now I'm gonna open the golden. Ooh, nice, so fun. And the silver. Ooh, yoo-hoo. Green and red. I really like playing with glitter glue. This is really fun. Wow! Wow! It was so much fun learning the colors with slime and glitter glue. I hope you liked the video and see you soon next time. Bye-bye! Bye!